How was merge sort? Pretty difficult, right? I have the answer for you here, and I'm not going to code along because, well, this is one of those pieces of code that me just writing in and typing it in a 30-minute video isn't really going to help your understanding. I recommend that you go through this code line by line to fully understand it. But if we take a look here, all we're doing in the first pass in the merge sort function is we're going to get the length of the array, find the middle of the array, and then we're going to slice the array into the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So that if I console log here and I click run, we see that the first time around, we're just splitting the item right down the middle, where we have 99 all the way up to 1 in the left-hand side and 5 to 0 in the right-hand side. In the next pass, because remember, we're doing recursion and this is being called again, when we get to here, we're now dividing up 99 and 44 and 6 to 1 into its own pass, and then 99 and 44 into individual items, 6 and 2, 1 into left and right, until we have everything into one item. And then we start splitting off this hand side as well. Now, what about the merge function? The merge function is going to be a little bit hard to read. But if we take a look here, all we're saying is we have a results array that we're going to fill everything with, and we're going to have a left index and a right index. And we're going to compare here. Is the left index less than the length of the left array and the right index less than the right array length, which makes sure that we have items in our array? If that's the case, then let's compare our left item to the right item and push into a new array, into our results array, the item that is less. In this case, it'll be the left-hand item. And then we increment. Otherwise, if the left item is higher than the right item, we do the opposite, and the right item goes into our results. Remember, this merge function is doing what we saw in the animation. We're splitting the function down in the first part of the function, and then in the merge, we're going to take the left and right, compare it, and place it into the results array. And then go to the next, and keep doing this over and over and creating our results array. If I console log here, left and right, and I click run, we see exactly what we're doing. We have 99 and 44, and then 2 and 1. So on the left-hand side and right-hand side, 99 and 44 get compared, becomes 44 and 99. And then we compare 2 and 1, which becomes 1 and 2. Then 6 and 1 and 2, which becomes 1, 2, 6. And we keep going until the very last step, where we have two lists here. And we compare them, 0 and 1. We place 0 in the results array. And then we place 1, 2, and just keeps going and keeps going. Exactly like our animation. Now I encourage you to play around with this and perhaps go step by step. It is a really hard algorithm to get. The bad news is that the next algorithm is even more complicated. But luckily for you, as I said, you won't have to ever do this in an interview. You just need to know that merge sort is a great algorithm to use because we get O of n log n big O. Let's take a look at another sorting algorithm.